Hi Piku, I'm very happy today as my Aunt Shilpa is coming to stay with us for 6 days. Aunt Shilpa will bring many sweets and toys for me. Aunt Shilpa will take me for a picnic. Hey Piku, what is so funny?
Rohit, you repeated the word Anshilpa. Anshilpa is a naming word and hence is a noun. Instead of repeating the noun, you can use a pronoun. A pronoun takes place of one or more nouns. For example, you can use the pronoun she instead of Aunt Shilpa. Thus you can say, my Aunt Shilpa is coming to stay with us for 6 days. She will bring many sweets and toys for me. She will take me for a picnic. I, he, she, it are used for singular noun. They and we are used for plural noun. For example, I like Shruti. She is my best friend. Priya has a dog. She named it Puppy. You is used for both singular and plural nouns. Do you remember what we covered in last lecture? You are the best student. Rohit, I hope now you know how to use pronoun.
Yes, I know now that nouns can be replaced with I, he, she, it, they, and we are pronouns.
Hello everyone, my name is Sindhu. I'm your English coach. I use activities, games and exercises to teach you English and make you a master in communication. I have helped thousands of students and participants to become a powerful presenter and confident communicator. Please subscribe to our channel and motivate us to make more contents like this. Thank you.